Hello everyone, welcome back to Hero Handmade Crochet YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to crochet this beautiful flower. This is really simple and will take just a few minutes for you to complete this. First of all, we will look into the things needed. I'm going to use 100% cotton yarn, and along with that 1.5mm steel crochet hook, and also the yarn cutter or the pair of scissors. And to fasten up, we will need a yarn needle. These are the things we required. So let's get started with the project. We will start with a magic ring. Wrap the yarn around your finger 2 times and take it out. Then we need to put a stitch to secure the magic ring. Insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through the ring, yarn over and pull through the loop. Now we have our magic ring ready. We are going to work into this magic ring on the first round. So we will start chain 2, 1 and 2, then work a double crochet into the magic ring. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through the magic ring. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 2. Now you have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both the loops. Now we are going to consider this as 2 double crochets together, and then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then we need to work 2 double crochets together into the center of the magic ring here. Yarn over, insert the hook into the magic ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 of the loops. Now we have 2 loops on our hook. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the same ring, yarn over, pull through the ring. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. This is 2 double crochets together, and then again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. And we need to work another 2 double crochets into the magic ring. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we have 2 loops. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 4 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. Now we have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And then again chain 3. 1, 2 and 3. Then work 2 double crochets together again. 1, 2, then yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Again chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then work 2 double crochets together into the magic ring. 1, 2, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, then work 2 double crochets together. 1 and 2, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now you can pull this tail very tight to close the magic ring like this. This is what we have completed so far. And after that we are going to join the round, chain 1 and then work a double crochet into the stitch on top of the petal here. Yarn over, insert the hook into the stitch on top of the petal, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. Now we have completed our first round, and we will get started with the second round. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then work a double crochet into the same space here. Yarn over, insert the hook into the same space. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, pull through 2. And again yarn over and pull through 2. After that, work 2 chains and again chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Then we need to put a slip stitch into the 6th chain from the hook. This is the 6th chain, so insert the hook into the 6th chain, yarn over, pull through the chain and pull through the loop. Now you can see that we have created a little ring here like this, and then again chain 2, 1 and 2. Now we are going to work a double crochet into the next chain 3 space. Yarn over, insert the hook into the chain 3 space, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 3 loops on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 2 of the loops. Now we have 2 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2. After that, chain 1 and again work another double crochet into the same space. And then chain 2, 1 and 2. Then we need to work chain 6 again, and then work a slip stitch into the 6th chain from the hook. Now we have created the ring over here as well, and then chain 2 again, 1 and 2. Then work 1 double crochet, chain 1 and another 1 double crochet into the next chain 3 space. 1, chain 1 and again another double crochet into the same chain 3 space. And again chain 2, 1 and 2, and then chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then work a slip stitch into the 6th chain from the hook to create the ring, and then again chain 2. Now this is the pattern we need to repeat until the end of the round. So you can just complete the pattern until the end and meet me back there. This is the end of the round 2, and then we need to join the round by working a slip stitch into the 3rd chain from the start. Now we have completed the 2nd round. We will start the 3rd round by working a slip stitch into the chain 1 space here. And then we need to work 6 double crochets into the ring over here. So we are going to work 6 double crochets into this ring. We will get started with the first double crochet. Yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, yarn over, pull through the ring, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. This is the first double crochet. Just like that we will continue to make 6 double crochets. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And then again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then work 6 more double crochets into the same space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. After completing 6 double crochets, we need to work a slip stitch into the next chain 1 space here. Now you can see that I have completed the first petal. Just like that we are going to continue to make the second petal as well. Work 6 double crochets into the ring. And then chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and work another 6 double crochets into the same ring. And then we need to put a slip stitch into the next chain 1 space. So we have completed 2 petals over here. Just like that we will continue to make the other petals as well. And then we will work the last slip stitch over here into this chain 1 space. And with that we have completed all the petals. Chain 1 and leave a little tail and cut the yarn off. Now we have completed the crochet part, and then use the yarn needle to hide the tails of the project. This is what our final project will look like. I hope I have explained all the instructions clearly for you. If you have any question regarding making this, you can comment on the comment section below. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you very much for watching Hero Handmade.